difference when it looks like this, which is what we did yesterday, 4x to the 1 times 4x to the third. Okay, you would multiply the bigs and add the littles. Okay, the difference between today, so there is a difference between a multiplication symbol and parentheses. Okay, there is a difference. So you should be able to, and you'll have them hopefully memorized before you take your quiz of the properties of exponents. So what you have to do, and remember there's a difference between numbers and letters. So the ones with just numbers, okay, what the rule is, a power raised to a power, okay, this means power and a power, okay, you multiply the two. Okay, so it's really going to be 2 to the 0 times 3. What is 0 times 3? 0. So you're really going to get 2 to the 0, which is what? 1. So our answer is just going to be 1. Okay, if we look at number 3, I'm going to multiply the two littles together. So it's really, and you don't have to write this all the way out. I am for a first couple. It's going to be negative 4 times negative 3. What is negative 4 times negative 3? 12. So it's going to be 4 to the 12. Do we need to convert anything? No. So that one's it. It's done. Okay. 5 is going to be 4 to the what? Okay. 2 times 4, which is what? 8. So it's going to be 4 to the 8. Do we need to convert? No. How would you write 7 out? Okay, how though? How'd you get 3 to the 16?
3 times 3.
4 times 4.
Oh, yeah, I said 4.
I know what you meant. Okay, so it's going to be 3 to the 16th. Do we need to convert? No. Okay, 9. We got 3 to the what?
6.
Okay, so it's going to be 2 times 3, which is going to be 3 to the 6. And there's nothing to convert. Okay, 11 is going to be 2 to the what? Negative 4. Okay, do we need to convert?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's draw your bar. Okay, where does the 2 to the 4 go? Negative 4. On the bottom. What do you put on the top if there's nothing there?
1.
A 1. Bless you. Okay, 13, I got 4 to the negative 1. Yeah, okay, so there's nothing to multiply, okay, but you do got to take the 4 to the 1 on the bottom, and we put a 1 on top. Okay, 15, it's going to be 4 to the what? Negative 9. Okay, we got negative 3 times 3. Okay, and so it's going to be 4 to the 9th and a 1 on top. Okay, so those are all just number ones. Okay, those are all just number ones. Now, when we start doing numbers and letters, my suggestion to you, because some of you guys will mess it up, okay, would be anytime there's just a number, see how this is just a 2? Okay, the X to the 0 is a piece, so like Ashley Henning, okay, that's my name, okay? This one has a first name, which is the 2, and a last name of 1. That's 2 to the power of 1, okay? I would write the 1 in it. But the rule is still going to be the same, so it's going to be 2 to the 1 times 0, okay? You got to put these two together. And then you're going to have X to the 0 times 0. Okay, well, what's 1 times 0? 0. So you're going to have 2 to the 0. And then we got X to the 0 times 0. 0. So our answer is going to be 1. Okay? 2 to the 0 is 1. X to the 0 is 1. Okay? And then you would multiply them. Okay, and so that one's a little more in because there's the 0, but so our answer ends up being 1. Okay, so 19. It's 4 to the what power? Okay, so you're going to have a 1 right there. So it's going to be 4 to the 1 times negative 2 and to the 2 times negative 2. This is Henning. He does, and I forgot to call you. Thanks. Thank you. Okay, so 4 to the, what's 1 times negative 2? Negative 2. And to the, what is 2 times negative 2? Negative 4. Do we need to convert? Yeah. Okay, where does the 4 to the negative 2 go? Bottom. Okay, and then n to the 4, negative 4. Bottom. Okay, and we put a 1 on top. Now, when we do letters and numbers, we don't leave it like that. It needs to be fully simplified. What is 4 squared? 16. Okay, and I kind of did this, I ran out of room, but 1 over 16 n to the 4th. Sorry, I straight forgot to call. Okay, so 21. I'm going to get 2 to the, we can fill in a 1. 1 times negative 3. V to the 2 times negative 3. Okay, so you're going to get 2 to the what? Negative 3. V to the negative 6. Okay, do we need to convert? Okay, so we got 2 to the 3, V to the 6, and we put a 1 on top. What does 2 to the 3rd mean? 2 times 2 times 2. Now, on these calculators, they can do the powers, and if you have the decimals app, they can do the powers too, so if you don't want to type in 2 times 2 times 2, okay, you can totally do it on those calculators. They also do squared. So what is 2 to the 3rd? 8 V to the 6. Okay, 23. We got 4 to the 1. Okay, so you're going to get 4 to the 1 times 4. B to the 2 times 4. Okay, you guys do not need to write all this out if you don't want to. Okay, if you know that it's going to be 4 to the 4th, B to the 8th, that's fine. You can skip that whole step and just write, okay, that part. Okay, so you're going to get 4 to the 4th, B to the 8th. Do we need to convert? No, but you do need to simplify. What is 4 to the 4th? What is 4 to the 4th? I don't know what it is. Huh? 256. So you're going to get 256 B to the 8. Okay, 25. I got 4 to the what? What's it going to end up being? Negative 1. K to the, huh? What's 0 times negative 1? 0. Do we need to convert? Yeah. So you're going to get 4 to the 1. Where does K to the 0 go? On top. Okay. Okay, and then we still got to kind of convert. What is K to the 0? 1. So it's going to be 1 over, what is 4 to the 1 power? 4. So our answer is just 1 over 4. Okay, 27. I'm going to get 3 to the what? negative 1, x to the negative 4. Do we need to convert?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna get 3 to the 1 on the bottom, x to the 4 on the bottom. What goes on top? 1. And what is 3 to the 1 power? 3. So if you just want to erase the 1 on there, you totally can. Okay, 29. You're gonna get n to the what?
No, 16.
16. Do we need to convert? No, so this one's done. Okay, you guys got 15 of them to do. And remember, there is a difference between letters with numbers and letters, okay? And the difference lies here. Okay, so if we look at 15, see how I left it 4 to the 9th? Okay, when we do like, if you look at 19, you got to simplify. Okay, so my suggestion would be to draw a little line, okay, somewhere, actually it's 1 through 15, okay, 1 through 15 are going to be just numbers, okay, and then 16 through 30 are going to be numbers and letters, okay.